Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today is the day after Easter and I have a Easter disaster to clean up. There's candy and goodies from the Easter Bunny all over my living room and kitchen, so it's time to get that cleaned up. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys how I store all of our Easter candy, and it's decorative as well as easily accessible for all of my family. So we've got lots of cleaning to do today and I'm excited to bring you guys along.
What if I open my soul? Here I stand by myself on my own. What if I lose all control and take a step out into the unknown? What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. What do I know?
I am still in my pajamas, but hey, quarantine. No shame here, guys. How many of you switch from day pajamas to night pajamas every day?
Don't want another surprise. I'd rather want you to just let me be. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. Come on, get a grip now.
I do reuse the Easter grass from year to year. I have not bought Easter grass in years. I just bag it up in Ziploc bags every year and put it away with the Easter baskets and just reuse it. Honestly though, next year I don't think I'm even going to use it because it makes a mess and it'll be one less thing to clean up.
What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. What's going on now? Is this another breakdown?
I always store our Easter baskets and all of the secret holiday things like our elf on the shelf, things like that in this guest room closet. I am just dividing up all of the Easter goodies and putting like things together. I'm making a pile of candy, a pile of toys, and then a pile of clothing. The boys did each get 2 shirts and 1 pair of shorts from the Easter Bunny, and that Easter Bunny even brought me a new pair of shorts. I was so surprised.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. I just wanna love you right. take you there.
I am erasing my chalkboard as Easter is over, and I love putting a saying, a quote, something to do with the season of life that we're in on this chalkboard. And what better than enjoy the small things? Because right now, being quarantined, I think we're all enjoying the small things in life.
I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love.
I feel a little more sane now that my house is in order. It feels good to have a clean house and all the new goodies put away in their places, along with the Easter baskets and that annoying Easter grass. I hope you guys have gotten your house cleaned up from Easter. If not, maybe you're still enjoying some lazy family time, and that's awesome too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave me a comment just saying hi or letting me know where you guys are from. I love hearing from you. Have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye.